Thanks as they make their way back home to central Indiana. Meanwhile, get this, a homeless man in Kansas City now has tickets to that AFC Championship game. He helped a man stuck in the snow Saturday morning, but what he didn't know is that man was Jeff Allen, an offensive lineman for the Chiefs. Because of his help, Allen made it to the game against the Colts on time. Today, he asked Twitter to help him find the guy who helped him.
After I get done helping me, he told me he's a Chiefs player. I didn't look at him as no Chiefs player. I just looked at him as a normal person, you know what I'm saying? And would hope that he would do the same for me as if I did for him. I seen the message this morning, man, and I ain't gonna fake with y'all, man. Call me soft if you want to, homeboys, but I started balling. I started balling for real, I did. And just to know that he is a man of his word, and he actually reached out to contact me.
Great story to see all this. Dave, by the way, is living out of his truck with his girlfriend and a dog. Now he has 2 tickets and will be able to see his first game when the Chiefs host the New England Patriots on Sunday. Awesome to see that. Holding true to his word, and fortunately we didn't get the win, but there's always next season, so we've got that to look forward to. We do not have the cold weather to look forward to, but you're saying single digits overnight.